On a bright, sunny Tennessee day, we were scrolling the Facebook Marketplace and we saw a 4060 Ti gaming PC on sale for only $300.
But there's a catch, it does not turn on.
So what does a normal person do? They lowball the shit out of them. And they took it.
They said it was purchased 2 years ago for $2,000, but he doesn't know what the problem is.
And all he knew component-wise was that it had a 4060 Ti and a Ryzen CPU.
And that's it. So we took the gamble. We went to go pick it up at the local Walmart.
Yeah, so we picked it up and I cannot even begin to explain how bad and how foul the PC smelled. I mean, we put it in the trunk and we could smell it the whole car ride home. And I'm pretty sure like that smell just permeated the entire car.
I literally get PTSD thinking about the smell. It's so bad.
So we threw that shit in the garage.
So we did not want to take this thing inside, so we just kept it in the garage. The person said it was a little dusty, and as we opened it up, we saw it was a little bit more than a little bit dusty.
She dusty.
She mad dusty.
She mad dusty. But it also had like this film over everything that was like, it was sticky and all like the dust stuck to it.
Bro literally gooned on his PC.
It was a gooner PC, on God.
So yeah, everything literally looks disgusting. There's like brown buildup over everything.
Yeah, hair everywhere, brown everywhere.
But this isn't even the worst it's gonna get. It gets way worse.
It gets worse, unfortunately, for us. So we confirmed it being a 4060 Ti, and it's definitely a Ryzen CPU. So we'll take the cooler off in a little bit and we'll double check.
So yeah, the smell's just getting worse. It's horrible.
Yeah, so we decided to check the back just to look around. We saw that the power supply was a little banged up, so we're guessing it's going to be a power supply issue.
Yeah, there's just dust and crack in every single crevice. It's horrible.
Literally the smell, like undescribable, indescribable.
And you can see here, when I pull the plastic film off that was still there, there's literally a cloud of stuff on it. Just built up over the years.
Popped open the front. Disgusting. There's so much crap in it. It's I mean, if you pay $2K for something and you just like let it get in this condition, you shouldn't have even bought it in the first place. It's crazy.
The buildup on the fans is so bad. It's just disgusting. There's like little grains of like stuff everywhere.
We got a bug.
First of many.
Yeah, first of many.
We don't even know what type of bug that is.
Smash that ass. All right, we're taking the cooler off here.
What it says when we wipe it off.
Yeah, wipe off that gunk. Ryzen 5600X. Honestly, we kind of figured that out, but we guessed. You can tell that they kind of maybe took the motherboard out. I don't know.
Check the RAM.
Vengeance LPX Corsair DDR4.
8 gigabytes each, so that's 32. If you can't do math.
Quick math.
Quick maths.
Appears to be actual crap on the power supply.
Oh, there's our first big roach.
Yeah.
Coming out of the power supply as we pulled it out.
Literally on the bottom of it, yep.
Absolutely disgusting. Look at the freaking filter for the power supply.
I'm guessing it fell out of the fan. Pretty bad.
Yeah, horrible. Oh, there's another roach that crawled out of the power supply. I guess he fell out because he's dead.
Yeah, this case is unsavable. We're just gonna ditch that.
Horrible.
So here we have everything that we took out of the case. We're gonna try and clean everything and then we're gonna test it all, see what we can really figure out what the problem was.
I think the worst thing about the computer, honestly, was the CPU cooler. That was the dirtiest thing.
Yeah. The fan blades are supposed to be clear, right?
Clear?
As you can see, these cotton swabs are really picking up all the grime and like whatever that film is. The the dude must have been smoking crack or something.
How?
Smoking crack, gooning.
How is the IO shield black, bro?
I don't know.
Another bug out of the power supply.
So here we have everything laid out. We're gonna see if we can get her started. Yeah, nothing's even kicking on, not even the power supply fan, which kind of pointed us towards the power supply. And the fact that roaches and literal pieces of crap were falling out of it, pretty indicative.
Yeah, we didn't even want to try to save it if it was working.
So we cleaned everything to the best of our ability, and it still stank. The smell would not go away. What I ended up doing was throwing it in a box of coffee grounds, and that actually took the smell out. So then we put everything in a test bench with a new power supply. Once we actually plugged the connector into the GPU, everything was working, kicked on immediately, and
Very surprising.
We reset Windows immediately.
Yep.
We weren't trying to see that.
We're not trying to see what's on his computer at all.
Yeah.
I don't even want to know.
So we threw it in a brand new case, got some cool red cable extensions in, throw some red RAM in, new CPU cooler, and obviously a new power supply. Seems to be the issue, so.
Yep, tested it, everything. It's working good.
Yeah, benchmarked it, tested it, everything was normal, so. All because some roaches were in your power supply. I guess shorted it out, yeah, so.
Crazy. Don't let bugs in your power supply. Don't keep your computer on the ground.
Good advice. So overall, it's a pretty clean PC, I think.
Yeah, no, it looks great now,
Yeah.
for sure.
I mean, all in all, PC costed us what? Including all the new parts that we put into it.
Under 400?
Under $400, yeah.
Yeah, this is a great PC for $400.
Yeah, 4060 Ti, 5600X for less than $400.
Yeah.
I think the exact total was around 380.
Mm-hmm.
So insane.
Yeah, but it looks way better than when we got it for sure. Hopefully the person who buys it treats it nice.
No smoking crack.
For real.
Yeah, so performance-wise, 4060 Ti, 8GB of VRAM. This is gonna be a killer 1080p.
Yeah, we ran it through some tests on Cyberpunk, and with everything on high and ray tracing on low, average 95 FPS.
Yeah, pretty good, especially at 1080p. I mean, the 8GB of VRAM is super limiting, but at 1080p, man, this thing is a killer.
Yeah, you can't ask for more for $400, honestly.
Yeah. So I think, 4060 Ti, 5600X is pretty good pairing for 1080p gaming. Time SPI score of just a little over 11,000.
Yeah, and for Marvel Rivals, with everything maxed out, it got a little over 100 FPS on average.
Yeah, so if you're playing 1080p and maybe doing some light 1440p, it'd be perfect.
Yep.
I mean, 8GB of VRAM.
It looks pretty good too.
Yeah. Damn, I'm glad we were able to turn this Gooner PC into something that somebody can use, you know, especially for the cheap. We definitely plan on selling it for as cheap as possible, make a little bit of profit, but.
Yeah, for what this PC went through, I'm surprised it even worked, honestly.
I'm glad we weren't forced to throw everything away.
Yeah.
I mean, only 2 components, the case and power supply.
Yeah, really.
Boom. Yeah.
That CPU cooler was unsavable. I wouldn't even want to try.
CPU cooler.
Did not even want to try that.
Yeah, that was bad too. That thing, there's no getting the smell or the discoloration of it.
Yeah, so if you ever buy any computer parts that smell bad, put them in a box of coffee grounds, you'll be good.
Yeah, pro tip, for real. Leave it overnight, it'll deodorize it.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.